Hi again. I'm a little less of a silhouette this time. I'm going to do the first example, or the first problem on your assignment sheet. So you can follow along with this and just rewrite the same work that I do up here. Just one more chance to practice together, and then you can try the other two by yourself. So the first problem says, looking at the visible spectrum for the star Vega, you notice one spectral line shifted from 656 nanometers to 660 nanometers. Is Vega moving towards or away from you? And then what speed is Vega moving at? So the first question is the easiest to answer. Whether the star is moving away or towards us, you just look at the shift in nanometers. So it went from 656 to 660. So the wavelength got longer, therefore it's a red shift. So Vega is moving away from us. So to tell towards or away, you just look at the shift in wavelength. If it went the other way, if it started at 660 and went to 656, then it got smaller, so that's a blue shift. All right, and then we can calculate speed. So we use that same equation, that proportion. So it's speed of a star, which is usually our unknown. Sometimes it's given in the problem, and then you can solve for a shift in wavelength using speed of star, but in this case, that's our unknown. Divided by c, which is the speed of light, is equal to the difference in wavelength, I'm going to abbreviate, divided by stationary wavelength. So, speed of light is a given, we already know that. It's 3 times 10 to the 8th. So we're always going to put that number there. Speed of stars are unknown, so I'm going to call that x. Equals difference in wavelength. So the shift went from 656 to 660, so the difference is going to be, subtract the 2, 4. Difference of 4 divided by the stationary value, which is always the first wavelength that's given in the problem. The unshifted light, which was 656. So I would solve this first, this part of the equation first, hit equals, and then multiply it by 3 times 10 to the 8th. Sometimes you gotta be smarter than the calculator, so do as much as you can first. So 4 divided by 656 gives you about 0.0061. I'm gonna take 0.0061 and multiply that by 3 times 10 to the 8th. I get an answer of 183 and 4 zeros. 183,000. So that is 1,830,000 meters per second is the speed at which Vega is moving away from us. All right, hopefully that helps. Try the other couple examples on your own. Good luck.